Exit anomaly detected. Passage unstable. You're watching now. You're watching now. Additional entity present. Unknown classification.